Hey guys, setting up Google Workspace gives you professional Gmail, Drive, and more for your domain. In this video, I will walk you through how to activate Google Workspace on your domain step by step. So first of all, search for Google Workspace on your PC, or you can just navigate to workspace.google.com. Now, start your free trial by clicking on this button. It will take you to another page where you'll have to enter your business name, number of employees, choose the region and click on next. Now fill out the contact info and click on next. Now choose a way to set up your account. Do you want to get a new custom domain or set up using your existing domain? So you'll have to just choose set up using your existing domain. Click on continue with this method. Here you'll have to enter your Google domain name. Now Google will provide a TXT record to prove you own the domain. Go to your domain's registrar DNS settings and add the TXT record exactly as shown in the Google Workspace setup after this step. Now, return to Google Workspace and click Verify. It might take a few minutes for Google to detect the record. Once verified, you can move on to Email Setup. Google will give you a list of MX records to directly email traffic to Gmail. Update your domain's DNS by deleting old MX records and adding the Google provided ones. In the Google Admin Console, create user email accounts like yourname@yourdomain.com, or you can also add multiple users based on your plan. Go to mail.google.com and log in using your new Google Workspace email address. Send and receive test mails to confirm everything is working and your Google Workspace is now active. You can access Gmail, Google Drive, Calendar, and all Workspace apps connected to your domain. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.